Ubla Lotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome to the Upstairs Brain. We have Hugs here saying hi to everybody. And I was wondering if you used hugs to say some kind words to your friends and your teachers and others around you. Did you help others yesterday? And we have Focuser who's saying, "Hi, I'm here." Did you use Focuser to focus and concentrate in your class while your teacher was teaching? I hope you did. And yesterday we met Calming Chloe. Did she help you relax in a situation where you were like, I don't know what's happening. Oh my God. And Calming Chloe came in and said, take a deep breath and relax. Give me time to think and we'll go through this together. Did that happen? If not, make sure you use her help to relax in a situation where you feel really anxious or panicky and you don't know what to do. Your first step is to take a deep breath and calm yourself. Today we are gonna meet our last character of our Upstairs Brain. Are you ready to welcome Mr. Problem Solver, Pat? Our friend Pat helps us solve problems. What kind of problems though? Can he help us solve a math problem? Can he help us do 2 plus 2, 4? Can he help us solve problems like if I get in a fight with a friend, can he help me be friends with my friend again? Mr. Pat can help with all kind of problems. All he need is some time to stop, think, process, and find a solution. So, Mr. Pat helps us with any kind of problems that we face. Now I have a question for elementary and middle school students, that is from kindergarten to 7th grade. So here's the problem. You and your friend want to read the same book during your reading time, and none of you are ready to give up on the book. So there's a problem that you and your friend both want to read the same book. How will you find a solution for this problem? Talk it out with your friends and your teachers. Come up with the great solution and share it with me later. And for high schoolers, I have a problem for you too. Imagine somebody got your locker combination and got into your locker. Now that's a big problem. Discuss it with your friends. How are you gonna use problem-solving Pat and solve this problem? Come up with some interesting, creative solutions and discuss it with your class and your teacher, and then share it with me later. Now time for some mystery picture. Can you guess who this little cute girl is and what grade she must be in this picture? If you can guess who she is, discuss it with your friends and in your class. Time for our daily eligibility reminder. So today is 13th. I should use a different pen. Today is 13th. So we have today, tomorrow, day after. That means we have 3 more days before our quarter 2 eligibility check. So make sure all the students who are interested in sports and student activities, you all are eligible and you have 2.0 GPA, no F grades, and 80% attendance. I hope you guys are working hard to be eligible. Have a fantastic day today. Happy learning.